everyone, welcome to WEITAI TV. My name is Alisa, I work for the marketing department of WEITAI hydraulic company, and today we came to our hydraulic motor factory to show you around. As you know, modern engineering construction cannot proceed without construction machinery such as excavators, loaders, crawlers and others. And today we want to show you the essential component of each of these machines, which is a hydraulic motor. We would like to introduce you the WTM hydraulic motor series. Let's have a look. So let's talk about WTM-03, final drive. This final drive consists of a travel motor, planetary gearbox, and an anti-reverse valve. It perfectly applies to 2 to 3 ton excavators. It's a perfect, wonderful replacement for other motors of very famous brands. And the quality is actually very, very good. So if you like our channel, if you like our product, please subscribe, please leave a message, check our website. We will be happy to talk to you and discuss our cooperation. Bye!